Sawadee ka everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a culinary journey to discover one of Thailand's most beloved dishes, Gai Pad Med Mamuang. This mouth-watering stir-fry features tender chicken, crunchy cashew nuts, and a burst of exotic flavors. We've got some fascinating unknown facts about this dish that will leave you amazed. So, let's dive in. Before we dive into the unknown, let's explore the origins of Gai Pad Med Mamuang. This delicious stir-fry first originated in Thailand, and its name translates to stir-fried chicken with cashew nuts. But do you know when and where it was invented? Some sources suggest that Chinese immigrants brought the concept of stir-frying with cashew nuts to Thailand, while others say it might have evolved from a local dish. Fascinating! This dish's roots go way back, and it has since become a staple in Thai cuisine. Gai Pad Med Mamuang, or Thai stir-fried chicken with cashew nuts, is a delicious and easy-to-make Thai dish that combines tender chicken, crunchy cashew nuts, and savory flavors. Here's a short and simplified version of the making process. Heat. In a wok or large frying pan, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Stir-fry chicken. Add 500 grams thinly sliced boneless chicken to the pan and stir-fry until it's cooked through and slightly browned. Sauté vegetables. In the same pan, add 1 sliced onion and sauté until it becomes translucent. Then, add 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper, both sliced, and continue to stir-fry until the vegetables start to soften. Toast cashew nuts. In a separate dry pan, toast 1 cup of cashew nuts over medium heat until they become slightly golden and fragrant. Combine ingredients. Return the cooked chicken to the pan with the vegetables. Mix well. Add sauce. Pour 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar into the pan. Stir to coat the chicken and vegetables. Add liquid. Pour 1/4 cup of chicken broth or water into the pan to create a bit of sauce. Add cashews. Mix in the toasted cashew nuts with the chicken and vegetables. Final touch. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Serve. Gai Pad Med Mamuang is now ready to be served. Enjoy it with steamed jasmine rice. With just a few simple steps, you can create a delightful Thai dish that will surely satisfy your taste buds. Did you know that Gai Pad Med Mamuang has a connection with Thai royalty? Absolutely! During the reign of King Rama IV in the mid-1800s, the Thai royal kitchen started incorporating Western culinary influences into their dishes. This was when the concept of stir-frying with cashew nuts likely entered Thai cuisine. That's incredible! It's fascinating to see how food culture evolves, even in the royal kitchens. Thai cuisine is known for its unique blend of flavors. The Thai-Chinese community has had a significant impact on Thai cuisine, and Gai Pad Med Mamuang is no exception. As Thailand is home to a large ethnic Chinese population, their culinary techniques and ingredients have merged seamlessly with local Thai dishes. Cashew nuts were not native to Thailand. They were introduced by Chinese traders. The combination of chicken and cashews, along with the use of soy sauce and oyster sauce in the recipe, exemplifies this delicious fusion. This dish packs a nutritional punch. Cashew nuts are a great source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium and zinc. Additionally, the chicken provides a good dose of protein, while the vegetables incorporated in the dish offer essential vitamins and fiber. So, enjoying Gai Pad Med Mamuang can be both a delightful and nourishing experience. Thailand's diverse regions often showcase unique twists to popular dishes. In the southern regions, the dish might have a spicier kick due to the addition of chilies. So, the dish adapts to the local tastes and available ingredients, making it even more interesting. Thai cuisine has become popular worldwide. With globalization and the rise of Thai restaurants across the globe, Gai Pad Med Mamuang has garnered a vast fan base. Its perfect balance of flavors, texture, and ease of preparation has made it a go-to dish for many. It's incredible to see how a traditional Thai dish has found its way into so many hearts worldwide. There you have it, a deeper look into the world of Gai Pad Med Mamuang. From its intriguing history to its nutritional benefits and regional variations, This Thai stir-fry continues to capture the hearts and palates of people worldwide. So, next time you visit a Thai restaurant, make sure to give this delightful dish a try. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. And as always, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the unknown.